What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Y'all see what the title say? We getting ready. We're getting ready to go into battle. It's a whole lot of action going down this Saturday. Middle Georgia Motorsport Park. I'm bringing both of the boxes out. First time ever. Both of them at the same time. Dolo on 26s. I got some rim action on 26s. Yes, indeed. Meech is in a class, man. It's an invitational class. Shout out to my bro Keith, man. On a Bacteria 2.0, that bad. One of the baddest small block Mustangs in grud racing. Shout out to my guy Keith, aka Will Chill. He invited me, man. He wanted one of the boxes in. Originally we were gonna do Dolo, but I like, hey, I took Dolo out last week. Dolo did his thing, so hey, he done. No more radio stuff this year. So we're gonna go ahead and take the year out with a bang on the 6s, cause I ain't showed y'all how that thing really get down on the 6s. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm taking that one and taking Meech. So I gotta get Meech ready, man. It's something I had thought about. I had forgot. I was like, I was testing everything and I said, hey, I got to change the micro switch bracket. Cause the micro switch not touching the nitrous activation switch. Basically, you know, the nitrous activates at wide open throttle. So the carburetor uses a different bracket. So I had to order that, man. I hate going way to Summit for something like this, but I got to go. Cause this is two days before the race. 2 days before the race, so man, I got to go ahead and get what I need to get. Go ahead and pop that bracket on, so my nitrous will work. Cause right now it won't work if I don't have that bracket and change the switch over. So I had to do that, and I went ahead and bought me another nitrous bottle. Cause I got 2 that I can use with Dolo, but I only have 1 for Meech. So I bought another 15-pound nitrous bottle. Had to buy the fitting to go in, cause I got a -6 nitrous line instead of a -4. So you know, I had to do that. I had to do that and get that too. So I'm going to pick up these 2 pieces, and the bottle's supposed to come today. I'm trying to wait to get the bottle so I can do all my stuff at one time. Go get it filled up. Cause my bro Jesse not here right now. He on vacation. So I had to go to my other spot and get the nitro, which is everywhere I go do something far off. So I'm like, man, I'm trying to make one big circle while I'm out. I need to get racing gas and stuff. I need to re-up on racing gas, and all that. But anyway, we're going to battle. I'm in a Pee-wee class, man. The Pee-wee class. So y'all know they call untested, man. I'm trying something. They call untested. First time ever on nitro, and I'm going into a class, man, with some cars. Just to keep it completely honest, it's right now 12 cars in as an invitation. They trying to get some started. My bro Keith and still Pee-wee class. So you know they kind of figuring out cars and going weed out whoever need to be weeded out. But it's some of them in there. I know they ain't daily driver street, but it ain't daily driver class. I mean, I ain't tripping. It is what it is, man. I'm just trying something. But I know for a fact some are not daily drivers, which is not a daily driver class though. So I'm not one of the people that complain. Hey, Carl, I know I got a nice unit. It's just that people don't know. But if it don't break, if it does not break, it's gonna be a lot of shocked people. I will say that. I promise y'all. Y'all know when I say something, I stand on it. I believe. I'm serious. Gonna be a lot of shocked people if it does not break the rim. That's the only thing that can happen. I can see possibly it'll break the rim. But I'm not gonna run out the back door. I shouldn't have to run out the back door. With what it is, it already gonna go faster on motor off top, so which means we'll go fast on nitro. But we're finna get this thing ready, man. We're gonna get this thing ready. We're finna get what we need to get. We're finna hit the road, get the parts, get back, put it on. Hope my bottle will be here by then. And we're gonna see what to it, man. But I might still go ahead and make that run, get my gas and stuff too. I just have to make another trip tomorrow, go get the nitro if all that fails. So they hit the road, man. Alright, y'all checking in. Pack secured, man. Did what I had to come get. This nipple right here to go in the bottom to feed the dash 6 line. And then we had to get this, man, because the micro switch different too. See how much longer that is right there? I'm gonna show y'all the old one when I take it out, but y'all see it's kind of glaring. Alright, there it is. Y'all see it right there. There it is. Look how much longer that is. So we had to have that. I wouldn't be able to spray no nitro. But we're gonna get back and I'll turn y'all back on. Hey, back. I ain't gonna have time to go get the gas, man, and take the nitro bottle. I'm gonna try to hurry up. We got the nitro bottle right here. So what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead and paint the brake drums up, so that way we ain't gotta wait for paint to dry. We can just slip them on. We're gonna go ahead and throw some nice candy on them. We're gonna get this valve, this nitro bottle valve installed in here, and then I'm gonna go get this micro switch put on Big Meech, which y'all can't see that obviously. So let me show y'all. Let me open this up, man. Show y'all the big boy bottom, man. This thing here, big 10, not 10 pound, big 15 pounds. So we're gonna get this joker bust open. Then matter of fact, I'm gonna go do this first. I'm gonna do the micro switch first. Cause that right there, I need to get done before it's dark. This right here we can do in the garage. All that fail. So that's the plan. Y'all see I got all my gas right there. With my cans. Cause they always tell me, they be like, man, bring your cans and stuff. Then it'd be cheaper for me and stuff. So I'm gonna fill these up, get 15 gallons of 110, and then I'm gonna buy another one. Another 110 for a pail, cause I like to have 20 gallons. And then I'm gonna buy me another pail on 116, which I got some right there. But to make sure I got enough, I'm gonna have me another one. Like I keep one pail of 116 because I put it in my 1 gallon fuel cell. And Meech don't have none, so I probably use the rest of that. 1 gallon, it lasts a long time, man, when you spraying and all that. But that's another reason it helped my tune-up stay so clean too. I got a dedicated fuel system. Then you got my other packet right here. These my shoes, man. New Air Force, 2 pair of black Air Force, man. Cause I done killed these, so I use one for work and then one just to have. So we finna put these brake drums out, paint them. Then I'm finna go ahead and get this done right quick, the micro switch. So I'm turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all. I got I got the old setup off. Y'all see what I'm saying? Look how short that was. They're just a standard micro switch though. And this bracket, man, this bracket they made could have worked. It's just that the micro switch itself. So I'm probably gonna end up buying another micro switch bracket too, and I got nitrous spread bracket too. So it just look good too. I didn't even realize they had that on there. I'm gonna keep this one too, and then I'm gonna give me another micro switch. It's good to keep a few of them anyway. So I got the brake drum over there. On go. Get painted. Get the nitro bottle. We're gonna put this joker open. In fact, let me set y'all down. So we got that. Me and wifey just put that micro switch on. She helped me out. Yeah, she helped me out. Then we gonna open the big boy bottle. Open the big boy bottle. Good to have. I like to have two. Sometimes you go to the track, you know, you got the nitrous and fuel person be there, but I don't depend on that, cause every track don't be having that, man. You get to some track, they don't have no nitrous and fuel. So then if you don't bring your own gas, you SOL. When you need some gas, you just, hey. I mean, with me, worst case scenario, if I ever ran out of gas, I just run to the nearest gas station and have somebody. I just pump some 93 in that joke. I got that dedicated fuel system. It really don't matter. I got the octane I need for my nitrous, but my motor, man, it'll run on 93. So benefits of having a real pump gas street engine. I be saying pump gas on the internet. I think some folk be thinking, well, maybe you run on E85. Nah, 93. Pull up to your pump. Even if you're in country town, they ain't got E85. 93. Ready. Woo. Yeah, boy. This tank, this is a real tank right here. Here we go. Yeah, boy. Hey, I'm gonna come in there like this. Look, hold on. Let me turn y'all down. I'm gonna come in there joker like this. Yeah, I'm gonna come in there just like this, boy. I think I'm Big Meech. Woo! Larry Hoover, huh? Whipping work. Hallelujah. That's how I'm coming there, boy. Hey, that's how I'm coming there. I think I'm Big Meech. Woo! Hey, I'm coming in there, man. We got hey, I'm hype, man. Look, let me get that good thumbnail. Let me get that good thumbnail. Yes, indeed. They're gonna be the thumbnail. Hey, but now, let me calm down. But it got a big gauge on it, boy. My other one ain't got no gauge on it like that. I like this better. Got that big gauge already in there. You pay enough money for it, though. It better come with something. Let me see. Take me a wrench to the track, just in case. We'll check it when I get it filled up, man. See if it's leaking from right there. Seems to be tight. So got the Lightning 500 valve on it. So already open, keep it from building up pressure. And you really supposed to have these things checked like every 5 years, like pressure tested every 5 years, man. So get rid of that. I'm telling y'all, man, nitrous get high, man. Nitrous get high. Cause now I got to buy a bottle warmer too. I need 2 bottle warmers, man. Them jokers, they're $350. So when you get to doing stuff the right way, like you should, it get high, man. But I'm gonna get a bottle warmer to maintain the temperature, the thermostat, and all that. I like to just boom, flip the switch, go to it, crack it open. You can set it, man. They got so much technology now. That's how you can do it. That's why I really think out my bills, man. And I have stuff convenient. I have stuff where I ain't gotta pop my hood to be doing nothing, and I ain't gotta be popping the trunk. That's what I want to do. Boom, hit the switch. We set that thermostat or the pressure. We set the thing to maintain a certain pressure, and that joker kick on when it need to and kick off when it need to, man. You just sit in the car ready. Man. That's what I like. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking this out. It's a -8 O-ring fitting to a -6. This is a -4 nipple right here. Put the wrench on there, tighten it up, man. So I'm finna go ahead and get this changed out now, and we're gonna be ready to roll with that. The main thing, let's go check the brake drum out. The main thing is getting that micro switch on before it got dark. So tomorrow is the day before track day. Tell you, man, if you ready to see Jay put on a show, come out. Middle Georgia Motorsport Park Saturday. December the 3rd. I'm gonna be there early, man. Get there early, cause temperature's gonna drop fast, so they're gonna be kicking off early. So I advise you get there early too. And I'm definitely gonna be shaking down early on the motor. And believe me, it's gonna be something to see too. So we gonna shake down. We gotta look pretty, man. You ain't gonna be able to see the brake drum with the rims, racing rims on, but the 24, man, you can see the brake drum good. So for right now, we need to paint it. Put that candy on there. Put that black candy. That's what I call it. Put that black candy on there, boy. Glory. Yeah, man. But everything went in plan today. That's a good thing. When everything goes plan. I got the parts I need. It would have been good if I ain't have to make 2 trips, but I'm gonna have to hit the road again tomorrow to go re-up on the gas, and then I gotta fill that Fred nitro bottle up, and we got to top Dolo nitro bottle off from the last track trip. So I had that for the 6th. So I'm telling you, man, if you want to see both of the cars in person, not tomorrow, Saturday. Well, it will be tomorrow for y'all. Tomorrow is the day. You want to see them in person, man? Tomorrow gonna be the day. I'm gonna be at the track. Dolo, Meech gonna be there. We got some action in Dolo with one of my bros. We got some action in Meech with one of the bros, and we got action for the shootout. First nitro pad ever, man. I'm testing, and I'm in a shootout already. I'm in a class already, and I'm testing. What better way to test than against competition? So we're gonna see what happens. Now, I'm telling y'all, based on the data I have seen with Meech, the Joker is gonna fly. The only way it's not gonna fly is if it breaks the ring. That's all I can see it breaking. It ain't gonna break the drive shaft, and ain't gonna break the U joints. I got all that stuff. That's the big boy. The rear end is the weak point. It's gonna if it breaks something, it's gonna break something in the rear end, man. That's all it can break. It held on motor surprisingly. It make a lot of torque and power, so I'm surprised it held on motor. So we might be alright, but when that nitro hit, we talking about a whole nother level of power. So we're gonna see what happens, man. But we getting it ready. Like I said, this is the day. Getting it ready, man. So tomorrow for me, I'm gonna be mounting up on the new radios. Not the radios, the radios. I'm gonna be putting brand new mounting up on them. I did nothing bolt check, everything good. That's all I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna pop them brake drums on when I take the tires off. I'm gonna mount up on them. I'm gonna gather my belongings. Have them all sitting right there. My tire gauge, my tire pressure thing, my tire gauge, adjustable wrench, my little normal stuff. And my bottles, my 2 nitro bottles. Well, I'm gonna have to take 3. Cause Dolo, I ain't gonna be spraying Dolo a lot. I'm gonna take 3. I'm gonna take 2 for Meech, cause I'm in that class, and then I'm gonna take the 110-pound for Dolo. And man, we gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens, man. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.